Alright, so one of the most frequent questions I've been asked since I started making videos and stuff like that, even before, when people come to my Instagram page and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying, they want to get into the arts or whatever. So one of the most frequent asked questions is, how much does it take to get started? What is the price? What is the amount of money that I need to get started customizing shoes? And that is a broad answer to it, and then there is a simple, small answer to it. The broad answer to it is, it depends on your budget. It depends on what you can invest at the time. I mean, you can get in and spend upwards to $1,000 or more, depending on what all you buy, what all paints you buy, your tools you buy, what kind of airbrushes, airbrush compressors, if you get more than one airbrush, the size of bottles of paint that you get, what shoes you buy to paint. It can be very expensive, or it can be very inexpensive. In my opinion, you can get started customizing shoes with only $50. And I will break that down for you. So, how you can get started with only $50? Let me give you the breakdown. So, first, of course, you're gonna need your paint. Paint, it depends on what time you catch it. What I would recommend is catch them on a sale day, where it's like holidays coming up. You know, they have Christmas sales, they have Valentine's Day sales, they have Thanksgiving sales, they have Halloween sales. And just always has sales, but you gotta catch them. So a lot of times they have like 15% off or 20% off. So I would say buy your paint at that time. So along with that, you may have to pay shipping. And this is for the people who have to order the paint. There are other sources on getting the paint and stuff like that, because just like me, I live in Memphis. We have an art store that carries Angela's paint, so I can just go up there and get my paint. And I would recommend maybe starting off with like 3 or 4 colors. 3 or 4 colors may run you about $12. And those 3 or 4 paints may run you $12, and plus shipping if you have to, you know, pay online. If you're paying online, then you gonna have to pay for shipping. But because you caught that sale, you're basically canceling out the shipping costs. So you probably still end up paying around $12. So you probably still end up paying like $12 to $15. So boom, let's subtract that. Let's just say you paid $15. Now you have $35 left. Now that you have $35, now it's time for you to get your other materials, which are the prepping materials. If you feel like you need tape, you should get that tape. Tape will run you probably around like $3. So subtract that from your $50. The tape, then the cotton balls. You can get cotton balls for $1 at Dollar Tree or anywhere, you know, maybe a dollar store or something like that. Even Walmart sells them. I think they're a little high now, maybe like $2. But you can get cotton balls for only $1. Right next to the cotton balls will be your acetone. Get 100% acetone. Don't get the stuff with all the fragrances and all that kind of stuff. You need 100% acetone, because it's actually not really 100% acetone, you know what I'm saying? Me, I use the industrial strength acetone, so that is pure acetone. What you're gonna get is the nail polish remover that says 100% acetone, and that works great on shoes to prep them. That should be $1 as well. Okay, so let's subtract all of that. We got $15 for our paint. We have $3 for our tape. We have $1 for the cotton balls and $1 for the acetone. So now we have $30 left. So the thing you need now is paint brushes. You can go to Michael's, you can go to Walmart, you can go to Joann's or Hobby Lobby. I would tell you go to either Joann's or to go to Michael's, because they have coupons and you can save money on your brushes. The brushes may be about, you know, between $5 to $7, but a lot of times they have 40% off coupons for your basically any item in the store that is regular price. So you can use that and then take a little chicken off of that, you know what I'm saying? That may be between $3 to $5. So, and then even Joann, they have 50% off sometimes. So you may catch them on a nice little day, you feel me? So let's just say you spent $4 on your brushes. I'll subtract that from the total, and now we are at $26. The last thing you need is a pair of shoes to paint. And that may be free for you. That may be free in your closet. Or if you really want to just go out and find a shoe to paint that you don't want to risk painting on your shoes. I mean, you could get some old shoes, y'all. Or you can get some old shoes from a family member or friend or whatever. But if you don't want to do that, you can go to thrift stores and you can find you some good shoes between $5, $10. You know what I'm saying? If you want to go to Plato's Closet, you probably gonna get your head busted and spend that whole $26 on a pair of shoes or something like that. But you still got your shoes, you know what I'm saying? You can get those shoes from thrift stores, man. You don't have to go out and buy a brand new pair of Air Force Ones or anything like that, because you're not at that stage where you can take on that risk yet. But you will get there. So that is it, man. That is the breakdown on how to start a sneaker business with only $50. I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully that helped somebody out there to get started, get the juices flowing, and to go ahead and get creating and start your career, man. It's been your boy, the Cadet, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like the video, man, and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? And I'ma catch you in the next one, you hear me?